While our pork is resting, we're going to roll out some puff pastry sheets.
Gorgeous. You make this in-house?
As a matter of fact, no, this is a product that we purchased for
Really?
consistency's sake. Yeah, we do a laminated dough in-house, but for consistency's sake, we buy this product. This is something you can get at your grocer.
All butter?
And yeah, lots of butter and flour, and it's you know, many layers. This is, however, a little thick for our purposes, so we're going to lay out some flour and roll it out just a touch more. It's a bit thinner.
Great. And you do make a laminated dough in-house. What is that for?
Our bread service. We do a timed croissant.
Ooh.
Yeah, with house churned butter.
You can come back and make that next time.
Absolutely, we'll do.
I'm a sucker for a good croissant.
Great. So proudly, this full sheet is more than we're going to need. We'll begin with half.
And these are going to get their own individual little package?
Yes.
This is nice and cold. It's warm in here, so you have to work quickly with this puff pastry.
We do, yeah.
Great.
Yeah, and there's plenty of butter in the dough, so a good deal of additional flour to make sure you don't stick. It's not going to be an issue whatsoever.
Okay.
So we're going to clean up the puff dough a little bit.
Do anything with those scraps?
No, we don't. No, yeah, they're going to get discarded.
Not even chef snacks?
You know what? That's a good idea. We can take care of that
Make
later.
Little cheese straws
absolutely.
Or something?
Yeah, we can make those work. Cool. We are going to reserve this portion at the top and punch a couple of rings for the end of the Wellington.
Great.
I guess we may as well. We'll make two, right?
Of course.
We've got guests in the audience. We don't want to waste, right?
Now, are you a Philadelphia native?
No, I'm not. I'm from Maryland.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from Howard County, Maryland, but I've been in Philadelphia since 2002. I've been working for Jose Garces since 2005 when we opened Amada. Yeah, so I'm one of the originals.
Excellent.
All right, our puff pastry is ready to rock here. We'll disappear that. And then we've got some blanched Swiss chard leaves as well.
Oh, those are beautiful. Then you just pop those into some boiling water. I see you took the stem out.
That's correct, yeah. We removed the stem from the center, and they are blanched very rapidly, probably a 10-second cook, right into an ice bath. And this is really, it's obviously incorporating some really nice flavor, but it's also just a vehicle to wrap our pork in shishito duxelle.
Tell me about the shishito duxelle.
The shishito duxelle, the shishito is a cool pepper. It's a small green chili, very similar to the Spanish padron pepper.
Yep.
But they're also they're more readily available in the U.S. market.
Yeah.
Really nice, sweet, nutty. Every once in a while, you're gonna get some spice from
Really
one,
hot
but
one.
yeah, not super hot. But most are more mild than hot. And we blister them on the grill. And then we finish, they're chopped by hand, and then we finish the duxelle with some brunoise shallot and olive oil.
Nice. So no mushroom in there.
No mushroom. No. Yeah, this is a shishito variety.
Great.
Okay, duxelle on the chard. From there, we're just gonna wrap our pork in neat little packages. If you want to follow me on the next, yeah.
So are we tucking the edges in, or that can be kind of open?
The edges we're gonna trim. Yeah. Lots of trimming and fussing over the food, you know.
How's that?
Perfect. Great. So we'll remove some excess.
The trimming and fussing over the food is what makes it so great.
From here, chard onto the puff dough. We'll begin by brushing the top of this with just a touch of egg wash.
That's going to be our glue?
That's right.
Okay.
Pick it up and pull back. Yeah, pull back just a little bit. Keep it nice and tucked. Just like you said, it's got kind of the maki roll technique, right? Bring it in. Good, you're fine. Yeah, roll over. Yeah, excellent.
We'll just put,
cool.
something over top of that, maybe.
We will, yeah, we'll take care of that.
Perfect.
Not a problem. We'll trim again.
Excellent.
We've got our caps. We'll apply a little egg wash to those as well.
And do you always do circles, or could you do other fun shapes?
You know what? This is really just a functional piece. So the circle is probably the way to go there. You're just going to kind of apply that to the end. Yeah.
Cool.
Exactly. So, and really this, like I said, this is just keeping the ends of the Wellington covered during cooking.
Okay. so we don't have all those beautiful juices and flavors spilling out.
Exactly, exactly. And there you have it. It looks crude in this state, but trust me, we'll dress it up towards the finish.
Oh, I have faith in you.
Great.
I know you wouldn't let us down here. Excellent.
All right, we've made our tidy packages.
So now these go into our combi oven.
That's correct. Yeah, we're gonna brush the whole exterior with egg wash.
All right. Get that nice and browned.
Yeah, we want
Shiny.
it. Yeah, beautiful golden brown sheen in the exterior.
And then we'll get this cooking in our amazing but noisy combi oven.
Going in for 450 degrees for
Okay.
about 13, 14 minutes in the combi.
Decently
here.
high temp.
Yes.
And I know you've cooked in this before. You said at Jose's Test Kitchen.
Absolutely.
You like
Yeah.
the combi oven?
It's a pleasure.
It really, I mean, it does everything.
It sure does. And for our purposes here, we're going in with just dry heat, no steam injected. We're looking good in here. Pork's done.
Oh, look how beautifully golden brown it became.
Nice golden brown crust to the pastry. And we're going to get ready to garnish our plate. So
All right.
first things first, while this is resting, we'll transfer it to a nice platter and garnish it with some juniper branches.
So this is our plate.
This is going to be our presentation piece. So typically in the dining room, yeah, we would just garnish this platter up and bring this right to the table as is to present the Wellington to the guest,
Look at
talk
that.
them through the preparation, and it allows the pork to continue to rest while you're kind of, working on some other
okay.
things. Then we'll bring that back to the kitchen and slice.